Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to the Masters PU College. Till now, we completed exercise number 1.1, exercise number 1.2 and theory part related to exercise number 1.3 in the chapter called Relations and Functions. As we came to know that slowly some negligence is coming to all the students. Dear friends, it is not the time to show the negligence. It's the time to stand strongly and say, in this time also I can study well. You can study well only when you feel that yes, I want to study well. Then only you can do this. You see exercise number 1.3. See the first question in exercise number 1.3. What is the given information? F is a function from set 1, 3, 4 to set 1, 2, 5. And G is a function from set 1, 2, 5 to 1, 3. Be given by, and the function F is given like this. 1 is related to 2. 3 is related to 5, 4 is related to 1. Here one point you need to observe. As the given function like this, it means that f of 1 is 2, f of 3 is 5, f of 4 is 1, like that. And g is also given. What is g of 1? G of 1 is 3, g of 2 is 3, g of 5 is 1. Like that the information they given. Then write g circle f. They are asking you to calculate composition of f and g. They are asking you to calculate g circle f. Okay. First I'll write the given information. The given f is a function from 1, 3, 4 to 1, 2, 5. Okay. And g is a function from 1, 2, 5 to 1, 3. This information they given. Okay. See here, f is from a to b, g is from b to c, then g circle f is from a to c. This you learned in the definition of composite function. You see, f is from a to b. Suppose this is a to b. G is from b. You observe these two sets are same. G is from b to c. Then g circle f is from a to c from the definition of composite function. Okay. So g circle f is a function from 1, 3, 4 to 1, 3. Okay. Now I need to calculate g circle f. For that you identified that g circle f starts from 1, 3, 4. Okay. And this is f they given, g they given, I written here. What I need to calculate now, to write the function g circle f, you need to calculate g circle f of 1, g circle f of 3, g circle f of 4. You need to calculate these things. Okay. G circle f of 1, g of f of 1, g circle f of 1 is g of f of 1. How? From the definition of composite function, g circle f of x can be written as g of f of x. Simple definition. See the composite function definition. In place of this circle, just simply I can write one bracket. I written bracket here. G of f of 1. Okay. G of f of 1. As they given functions like this, f of 1 is 2. Look here. F of 1 is 2. G of 1 is 3. Okay. F of 1 is 2. Okay. I written 2. Now G of 2. You observe this function. G of 2 is what? G of 2 is 3. So g circle f of 1 is 3. Similarly, I will calculate g circle f of 3, g circle f of 4. That's why it is important g circle f starts from where to where, right? Okay, g circle f of 3. Look here, g circle f of 3. G circle f of 3 can be written as g of f of 3. G of f of 3. From the given information, what is f of 3? F of 3 is 5. Now see, in place of f of 3, I just written 5. Now I need g of 5. What is g of 5? G of 5 is 1. Okay. G circle f of 4. G circle f of 4. G of f of 4. Okay. What is f of 4? F of 4 is 1. Okay. So f of 4. In place of f of 4, I written 1. G of 1. What is g of 1? Look here. G of 1 is 3. So what happened? G circle f of 1 calculated. G circle f of 3 calculated. G circle f of 4 also calculated. Now I'll write the function g circle f. G circle f. See 1, 3. Look here. 1, 3. I written here. 3, 1. Okay. 4, 3. I hope you are understanding. So I written g circle f. That's it. That is over. G circle f is over. I hope you understand this. Right? Now you see the second question. What they given? F, G, H be the functions from R to R. F, G, H are the functions from R to R. Then show that f plus g circle h equal to f circle h plus g circle h. Second one. Fg circle h is f circle h into g circle h. This is what they are asking to prove. To do this problem, first PUC knowledge is also important. Whenever necessary, I will recall that point. Okay. First thing, f, g, h are functions from R to R. So that means whatever the function you take, it is from R to R. Here, to prove this, what I'll do, the functional values I'll take. F plus g circle h of x I'll take. See, f plus g circle h of x I'll take. Okay, it's functional values. I am proving that their functional values are equal. You will come to know this at the end. I just taken x for this LHS part. As per the definition of composite function, wherever this circle is there I can write a bracket. See here, f plus g I written as it is. In place of this circle, I written a bracket here. Okay, see, f plus g of h of x. What happened? In place of this circle, I just written bracket. Why I written? As per the definition of composite function, f circle g of x means f of g of x. Wherever circle is there you can write bracket. I hope you understand this step. Now, it comes to first PUC knowledge. In first PUC we learned this. F plus g of x can be written as f of x plus g of x. Try to understand. F plus g of x can be written as f of x plus g of x. Here, f plus g of h of x can be written as f of, see here, f of x plus g of x. You imagine this as x. It looks like f plus g of x. F plus g of x is f of x plus g of x. So, f of h of x plus g of h of x. F of h of x is f circle h of x. G of h of x is g circle h of x. Okay. Now, you know that f of x plus g of x is f plus g of x. Try to understand. In first PUC, we learned this. F plus g of x is f of x plus g of x. It is like f of x plus g of x. This can be written as f plus g of x. I hope you are understanding. These are simple things only. First PUC knowledge little bit is needed. See here, I'll quickly recall. In place of this circle, I written bracket. Now, it is like f plus g of x. You imagine this whole thing as x. F plus g of x is f of x plus g of x. Now, it is in place of, you observe here, in place of this brackets, I can write the circle, f circle h of x. In place of these brackets, I can write the circle, f circle h of x. Here also, in place of these brackets, I can write the circle, g circle h of x. You see, it is like, you imagine this whole thing as f, you imagine this whole thing as g. F of x plus g of x is, f plus g of x. That means, f circle h plus g circle h of x. So, f plus g circle h is f circle h plus g circle h. Now, you see the second bit. What is the second bit? fg circle h of x. Okay. In place of this circle, what I can write? I can write the bracket. Okay. fg of h of x. In first PUC, you learned that fg of x, you imagine this as x. Fg of x can be written as f of x into g of x. This can be written as f of h of x into g of h of x. Try to understand. You imagine this as fg of x. Fg of x is f of x into g of x. F of this expression into g of this expression. Now, in place of this bracket, I can keep the circle f circle h of x into g circle h of x. Okay. F circle h of x into g circle h of x can be written as, see, you suppose this is f, this whole thing as g. F of x into g of x can be written as fg of x as per first PUC. Fg of x can be written as f of x into g of x. So, this can be written like this. So, what happening here, what I proved, fg circle h of x is f circle h into g circle h of x I proved. That means, in the question what they are asking, I proved it. It is easy, only little bit of practice is needed. See, dear friends, we came to know that you are all showing little bit of negligence in your preparation. It is not at all good. This is the time you need to stand strong and prepare well. And I discussed it so many times. You can study and you can enjoy. You can do both if you plan properly. If you are starting your day without a plan, you just simply wake up at whatever the time you want. Without a plan, you are doing that day, whatever the way it goes, means you are doing something wrong. Plan your day properly. See, in a day, you use 3 hours, first 3 hours to prepare well. Wake up morning 5 o'clock, 5 to 8, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. 5 to 8, 3 hours you study, because in that time no one will disturb you. 3 hours you studied now. Morning 8 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock, whatever you want you do. morning 6 o'clock to morning 8 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock, whatever you want you do. You play, watch TV, take rest, your wish, whatever you want. Evening 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, another 3 hours you study again. 6 hours a day study is 100% enough. So what happens with this? You are preparing well for, you are doing your preparation well, and you at the same time you can enjoy with your friends, or you can enjoy what you are doing. But without plan, you are spending the day means you are wasting so much of time, right? See, mathematics is all about practice. Practice makes man perfect. I want you to plan properly and practice properly. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.